Hey guys, so this morning was the first morning for our community's 100 trade challenge using our impulse scanner, our company impulse scanner, and our brand new custom indicator. Unfortunately for me, I slept in a little bit this morning. I was up late watching at Redskins and I'm sorry, not Redskins. They changed their Washington Commanders. Uh, beat the Falcons. That was a really good game. Of course, actually, it was, most of the games, all the games I watched last night or yesterday were very good games. But anyway, I got up a little bit late. So again, the first process in this is to go to our impulse scanner, and I'm looking for the pairs that where all the time frames are going the same way. Now, once I work my way through the pairs where all seven time frames are going the same way, I will look I will look to take a trade on a pair if just the daily is going the other way. So as long as I have the 1 minute through the 4 hour. But my first thing is to look at the pairs where all time frames are synced. And if I could find a trade with one of those pairs, then that would be better. Okay. And so this is what this morning looked like here. Um, if you look at EURAUD, if we go over to our trading view chart here, we're on the 5 minute, and this is our custom indicator right here. So again, if you're following along with the strategy that we're using, first we check impulse. We want to trade only the pairs where all the time frames are synced up. Now it's up to you. Like I said, if you want to use, some people are just doing the 5 minute through the 4 hour. Okay. I like to have all seven time frames here synced going the same way, like I just said. But if I don't find enough pairs doing that, I will look at the pairs where just the daily is going the other way. Okay. And I think there was one like that as well as we go through here. This is EURAUD here. You can see we have a custom indicator goes off right here. Then what we're looking for is we're looking for a flat top after that indicator goes off. Our flat top in this situation would be right here. Okay, we have an up candle followed by a down candle, and then we use the bodies of those candles to create our flat top. Okay, that's for a buy situation. For a sell situation, we're looking at the bottoms of the candles. We're looking for a down candle, then an up candle. So here you can see that we get the break of the flat top on this candle right here, which would give us a pretty good entry for that pair. But again, that occurred at 7 a.m. this morning, okay, Eastern time. So that was 7 a.m. this morning, Eastern time. EURCAD, again, all time frames are synced up. We go to our charts here. We could see way back here at 4:45 a.m. this morning, we get the indicator going off. And right prior to the candle where the indicator goes off, we have a flat top. And so this indicator candle is also the candle that breaks the structure of a flat top. And you can see the move that this made this morning. So again, I missed all of these guys. Hopefully, if you're taking the challenge, you were up earlier than me and you caught these. I'm sure the guys in our community, Dave Thomas and Michael Angel Martin, were up early, and they probably caught these. GBP again, all time frames are bullish here. And then right here we get a couple indicators go off here. Here's a flat top right here, but then price comes back down. We get another indicator go off, and then we do get a break of a flat top on this candle right here. Okay, so this could be a trade that you could currently be in, right? GBP again, all time frames bullish. And back here at 4:45 a.m. we did get the indicator go off. You can see we get some indicators going off overnight here, but you know, our flat top, flat bottom rule prevents us from getting in those trades, right? We don't just take the trades. These aren't just buy and sell signals. We don't just take a trade because the indicator paints when the candle closes or whatever. We wait for our flat top, flat bottom entry model. And so we don't get it on these. And then right here, you can see the indicator goes off again right here. And we get a flat top right here. This candle right here at 5:05 a.m. breaks that structure. And there's a nice move there. Again, we're just looking for one-to-one trade opportunities, right? So if our invalidation zone is 20 pips away, then our goal is 20 pips, right? Again, I wasn't able to take any of these trades because I got to the charts here late. But you know, there's still may be an opportunity here a little bit later in the morning, and then if not, I'll look at the Asian session later on today. So most of my trades will be during the Asian session, but this week because the restaurant's closed due to New Year's Day being on a Wednesday, I'll be able to also look at the New York session here. But like I said, I got up late today. GBP-CHF. Again, all time frames are bullish on this one. And again, you can see here we get an indicator go off at 3:40 a.m. Well, also you get an indicator go off right here at 3:05. Again, we're not going to be up during the London session, so we can't really look at those. But you could see those are, you know, the indicator goes off, giving us a good opportunity. Wait for a flat top, flat bottom. Then right here, we get another indicator going off 5:15 a.m. And then right here, we get this flat top. We have the up candle, then we have the down candle, and we use the bodies of the candles to draw our flat top. And then this candle right here, 5:35 a.m., could give us a possible opportunity to enter that trade. And then you could see the move that this makes. So, you know, people are just having tremendous success in our community with this indicator and along with the impulse scanner and the flat top, flat bottom entry model. And that's why we decided to do this 100 trade challenge. So you could see what's going on here this morning, and this is going to happen all the time, guys. No, you're not going to win every trade, but you're going to win a large percentage of them because of the fact that we have this impulse scanner, our custom indicator, and the flat top, flat bottom entry model that we're using. Okay, let's see if there was a couple more here. USD Chef is another one where all time frames are synced bullish. And again, we have the same situation here this morning, 5:50 a.m. We get this indicator goes off. We already have a flat top, flat bottom right there. So that indicator candle could also be an entry candle if we so choose to do so. Again, invalidation level would be down here, but then we do get another. We get another indicator here. We get another flat top up here. Again, this one's a little bit further away from our low, right? But again, you can see that this using the scanner and our custom indicator is a very good trade strategy. And like I said, that's why we decided to do the 100 trade challenge to get you guys to use it and to see. And again, if you're not if you're watching this, you're not a customer of our community or company that we're with, you can't access the impulse scanner or a custom indicator, but you can get started today and you can try this out for 7 days. You know, you have to pay to become a member, but it's a lot cheaper. It's a lot more economical to join now than it was before. And I can give you the information on that if you want it. You know, so but if you're watching this video, if you got an email from me with this video, it's probably the link is probably in that email along with the current bonus that we're offering and all that stuff. But this is one where just the daily is going the other way. So I will look at these ones where just the daily may be going the other way. So this is EURCHF. And you can see here on EURCHF, see what we got. So the last time the indicator went off was last night here at about what is that, 10:40 p.m. last night. And then we do get a flat top, flat bottom right there, as you can see. And right here about 12:15 a.m. We have a break of structure of that flat top, giving us an opportunity to possibly take a trade there. And you can see what happens after that. It's just an enormous move to the upside. Okay, so you can look for these trades basically any time of day, on any day that the market's open. EURJB, JPY. Now this one, you could see that the 5-minute through the daily are all bullish, but the 1 minute's not. So I don't like that, because that's telling me if this 1 minute has flipped, that's telling me that there's a possibility that these all may start flipping. Okay. When it's just a daily, that's okay. Okay. So that one we would not look at. GBP-CAD, again, that's the same situation. GBP-JPY, the same situation. GBP-NZD, now you can see here, this is the 15 is going the other way. And here, same thing, the 15 is going the other way. And now when you get down to here, you're starting to get 2 time frames that are going the other way. So these ones we wouldn't want to look at all. So that's what we had this morning, guys. And unfortunately, I got up late and missed it. You really, if you're going to trade, the New York session, obviously hasn't even started yet, but the moves start happening, in the early morning hours. So, if you're gonna do this, you're gonna want to probably get up, as you can see, around 5 a.m. to get started, because we could see that a lot of those pairs did go off pretty early today. Right? You can see how this one made its bigger. Here's the indicator goes off here at 2:50 a.m. this morning. Here's our flat top, flat bottom, right? And then boom, it just breaks above there and goes out. So I'll be keeping you updated here. I'll be sending these out to my email list, as well as posting them on Facebook, keeping you updated. So, but if you want to get started with this 100 trade challenge, it really doesn't matter when you're watching this video. We're all starting together as a community today on Monday, December 30th, 2024. But if you're watching this video and it's 1 year from then, if it's 2025, it doesn't matter. You can start your 100 trade challenge whenever you find us. Okay. So have a great day, guys. Take care.